The new 2027 C8 Corvettes have a factory burnout assist mode, which can be found in your owner's manual on page 231. Let's get into how to put it in burnout mode and how well it works. Some of the key differences on this burnout mode versus prior models is that this is again more of a factory-based option. What you previously had to do is you essentially had to pull both paddles in and kind of neutral drop it and hold the RPM, and you'd get a little bit of tire warm up, but not nearly as efficient as it's working now. In the video that we're about to demonstrate, we actually did put C8 wide body front wheels on the back just because it's a lot more narrow. I think on a Stingray, the burnouts are going to be much easier than on the wide body when you're at 345s in the back. That's a lot of rubber to move. To put it in burnout mode, you're going to want to hold the brake pedal roughly 50%, pull both your left and right paddle in, let go of one of the paddles and pull it back in. You will see a green icon, kind of like a gear shift, pull up on your dash. Once you see that, keep the brake pressure firm, use your right foot and fully accelerate to the max. You will see the ELSD coupling screen go to roughly 70%. It will not go any higher. Once you're at that near 70%, all you have to do is let go of the paddles and modulate your brake pressure. Do not let go of the accelerator, but if you do over brake, if you go over roughly 80%, the vehicle will turn on ABS and essentially shut down. If that happens, you simply just repeat the steps and try again. Once you're finished with your burnout and you want to stop, you simply just let go of the accelerator, or if you apply too much brake on that brake pedal, it will shut it down. It is important to note that if you're in manual mode, you will want to shift up to second gear immediately. And again, depending on your track setup and tire setup, you might even be able to grab third. Once you have the vehicle in the proper PTM mode, which on the new 27s is going to be located here to the left of the steering wheel. I did all of my testing in PTM Pro. I'm not honestly sure if you can do it in PTM Sport, Race 1 or Race 2. So for reference on this video, everything is in PTM Pro. For the cheat sheet, the ELSD can be pulled up in a few places. I use this that way when I know when I'm on the brake pedal, getting ready to go in the burnout assist mode, and I'm fully on the accelerator, and you max it out to near 70% and it will not go any higher, that's when you know you're ready. And now that we know all the steps involved, let's see when you put all those together, what it does. And that is how you do a burnout in the new 2027 C8 Corvettes. We have only been able to verify this on the Grand Sport, but I'm sure the Stingray, Z06, ZR1, and ZR1X are going to be the same. So as this is designed for the drag strip, use it at your discretion and just know you're gonna need to buy some extra rubber. If this is a video you like and you wanna see other videos like this, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.